Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube. What we're looking at here is Karcher quick release probe, and you can attach your Nilfisk Q Alto screw fittings to it. Now you'll see the thread is a larger, coarser thread on this 1/2 inch BSP compared to the other fittings out there in the marketplace, so make sure you get the right one. So you'll see the two flat sides on the Karcher part, the Karcher probe clips in, and on this side here, and it's the nose, the part that goes inside the nose that seals. So it's no good just getting an 1/2 inch BSP thread because you won't seal properly on the fitting. So like this fitting here, the nose that's inside there and the o-ring is what seals. This is made up of two different components. So we're able to convert at any stage. You change your machine, you can just simply use that probe, Karcher probe, and get the right fitting for your machine. So if you change to a lab, you change it for lab, you change it to Karcher, you get a Karcher fitting. Simple as that, all made up, so it means that the hoses and different things are not a throwaway world anymore. 1/4 inch BSP standard thread, and that plugs in straight into Karcher probe. So you plug that into your pressure washer, then we'll be attached together, and then that means you can attach your Q Alto Nilfisk hose onto there. Thank you very much. Q Services, Qwashers, eBay and YouTube.